What is going on, my friends, and welcome back to another video here on the Crypto Catch Up. Of course, your number one place to catch up on crypto. Well, the presidential election is kicking off and things are getting absolutely nuts tonight. It's 10 o'clock at night, but I had to make a vid for you guys because Bitcoin just hit an all-time high, ultra pumping 20%, and you guys are wondering what's going on, so I'm going to answer that for you. So today we're going to talk about what's happening, how I'm feeling about it, and what I'm doing. And with that said, let's not waste any more time at all, and let's catch up on crypto. Now, guys, don't forget, if you do want to trade some crypto yourself, you can use that Margex link down in the description below. This is a platform that I do all of my leverage trading on personally. You don't have to KYC, meaning you don't give them your personal information. You don't even need to use VPN. You just sign up, start trading, and you're going to get up to $10,000 in bonuses and rewards. Again, that's all in the link in the description below. But first and foremost, again, what in the world is happening? Well, we can see, of course, that Bitcoin's price just hit a $75,000 mark, setting the new all-time high. The crypto market's absolutely sending. Many of our meme coins are even sending. Doge up 30%. Bread up 20%, freaking SPX pumping, Whiff pumping, Bonk pumping, all these things absolutely killing it. Mog up there as well, which is absolutely nuts. Seeing a crazy day, nearly fully recovered on the week, absolutely smashing it on the month, and of course putting in crazy gains here on the year. This market is absolutely going insane. Now, the reason that that is happening is quite simply because of what we are seeing here from the presidential election. Now, this video is going to get very out of date extremely fast in my opinion, so please do refresh my page and make sure I haven't posted an update. But at this exact moment, the reason why this market is pumping is quite simply because Trump is doing very, very well. We're currently seeing Trump up 210 to 112. Now, a few things to consider. Obviously, there are, historically Democratic states that are very likely going to go towards Kamala Harris: California, Oregon, Washington, Hawaii, just to name a few. These are very likely going to accumulate to pushing this number close to, the 210 that Trump's at. But in many of our battleground states, right? Georgia, Pennsylvania, Michigan, Wisconsin, Iowa, Iowa's one already, but again, a lot of these states right here, that are important, that are going to push Trump over that 270 mark that he needs, are currently looking like they're headed in that direction. Now, things can change. You never really know what's going to happen, but it is very notable to pay attention to the fact that things are moving in the direction for Donald Trump. Now, as a result, of course, of this news and of what people are saying right now, they're going absolutely nuts. In the last 24 hours, people are closing down all of their short trades, opening up long trades, pushing our liquidations absolutely through the roof, pushing this market to the upside. But the issue that I'm having with what we are seeing right now is that although it is good, and although we did see that previous point of support hold up and we use that support to continue higher, things aren't what they seem quite yet, okay? Because this presidential election is not over yet. Trump has not won yet. And as a result of that, we're starting to get some warning signs that if this does go in the opposite direction, things are going to get ugly. Now, some of those warning signs that I'm noticing are the fact that we currently are seeing bearish divergence here on this daily RSI. What that looks like is, of course, let's get that zoomed in a little bit. Bitcoin's price setting in a new higher high currently, while its RSI has yet to do so. It is still setting in a lower high, and oftentimes whenever you see a higher high and a lower high from the price of the RSI, that's called bearish divergence, and that usually happens when there's an opportunity that we're going to see a big pull to the downside because momentum is waning here. At the same time in which we're seeing this bearish divergence playing out, we are seeing a ton of liquidations forming on the 1 day, the 7 day, and of course the 30 day here on CoinGlass. Now, there are up to $5 billion in liquidations that will happen if this market does pull back towards this support level around $67,000, and I think that that's a very strong possibility whether Trump wins or not. And so while we are seeing this doing well, and while we are seeing the market pushing upwards and things do feel good and euphoric, you need to understand that even in a situation like this, one, the election's not over yet, anything can happen, but two, even if Trump wins with that many liquidations sitting directly below us, a buy a rumor sell the news event happening to get up to $5 billion in liquidations is very possible, and it's very on the table. And so as a result of that, I am not falling into the hype right now. I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm feeling great about my crypto portfolio. I love seeing things like SUI up, I love seeing KASPA up, Solana up, I love seeing this momentum, but at the same time, I can't get drawn into the hype because I do see the trap that's being laid out, and if we do see this election swinging in the opposite direction, I do expect that we will see this market absolutely get smashed back towards some of these levels, liquidating all of these traders. And so what I am going to do is I'm just going to sit back and allow this to play out. I told you all I probably wouldn't even make many videos until after the election and after we do see some of those things kind of come to fruition. So make sure that you're not falling into the hype. You're ignoring the FOMO, ignoring the excitement, ignoring the euphoria, and sticking to your strategy, because you're going to need it more than ever. Because trust me when I tell you, shit's about to hit the fan one way or another. And so make sure, of course, that you guys are subscribed to the channel. I have a ton of intentions to make a bunch of videos, especially over the coming days as this all does play out. Don't forget, guys, I do have a Patreon down below if you want some extra thoughts, daily technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and stuff like that from me and more. And do subscribe to the channel and like this video if you did enjoy. But with that in mind, I hope you guys have a great night, and I can't wait to see you in the morning. Peace out, everybody.